No, just checking how you're working. Is it okay? Yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Look at that. Yeah. That's a huge snow pile. It's insane how much just ice. Just frozen ice. Oh, it's insane. I have to go and walk around in the campus and see how things are. Oh, it's morning. Oh my God, it's a lot of snow. It reminds me of Norway. Every year it's always like this. Piles of snow everywhere. Okay, I have to keep going. To go around the campus and see what's happening over there. Day 2 of snow. Crazy snow. Just want to take a short walk. Oh, there's some guys cleaning up there. Scraping snow. I want to go and check it out. I think they did some good work here. Snow is not deep anymore. Go and check it out. Yeah. I see some bulldozers over there. This guy is doing a good job. Cool. Morning. I'm just checking how you're working.
What's that?
Is it okay? I'm just checking what you are doing.
Hold on. 1 second. Hold on, Mike. Somebody else is just walked up and talked to me. What was that again?
No, just checking how you're working. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Look at that. Wow. It's huge. Thank you. Yeah, no, I have to go somewhere else to check it out the other side. Oh shit, I'm freezing. I have to go inside. Oh, so damn cold. I don't see anybody walking around here. Only saw one bus. No cars. Everybody's indoors. Okay. let me go in. Let me go to work. So, shoot. It's freezing here. Oh, shit. Just don't want to slippery. Can easily go down. I don't see any single person. I think here they cleaned last night. Today is just chilly. It's very windy. Some snow. Seems like they don't care about snow at all. Okay. Oh, my hands. My hands are frozen. Oh, look at it. This guy, they did a good job. They cleaned all the path. Bike line is cleaned. Everything's cleaned. Just that they have to redo it again because the snow is keeping coming down. But they're saying the work is cancelled. Maybe because that's the reason why I don't see anybody around. Except the guys that are cleaning, plowing the roads. Shit. Yeah, beautiful tree. Beautiful tree. Okay, I'm going inside. I'm going inside. Wait a minute, where's my key? I hope I didn't lock it inside. Oh man, where's my key? Oh, okay, some snow here too. Okay, that's all. I'm going inside.